Well, welcome back to the Timeline Ranch. Let's take a close look at the plants and see what's coming up after we've had some rain here at the ranch. So here we are in one of the little fenced off areas that I was trying to grow things last year, but we didn't receive enough rain to get anything to germinate. Did have a little step in the right direction. That is either a type of melon or possibly Mongolian sunflowers, as that's what was planted in this bed. So we'll see if it makes it. Hopefully we'll get some periodic rains that are spaced out at least close enough that it won't die. I'm gonna, of course, water it while I'm here. Still no signs of life from this moringa, but again, we haven't had very much rain. No luck in these beds. The moringa's looking very good. Nice and healthy. I'm sure that's that high content of boron in the soil out here is helping get the nutrients up to it, along with all the calcium. Maybe in the fall, this dill that's dropped seeds will germinate. A little winter crop of it. Definitely a healthy dill. I get a few more seeds out of it. This is Russian dill. So if you look real close, there's probably a couple hundred garden porcelain springing back up. I knew the seeds were there. I've heard they'll stay dormant for up to 10 years until the conditions are right to sprout. And they're coming back. They piggybacked in on these pecan trees when I planted them, the soil from South Texas. But they seem to do pretty good out here as long as you get enough rain, to keep them going. Yeah, hopefully a few of those will make it. Now right here we've got okra, little cluster of them coming up, about 6 of them there. And if you caught that video from a couple years ago, the okra did very well along here. I probably had close to 100 of them come up. Again here with the little pecan tree that I planted, some of this porcelain piggybacked in on the soil, the garden porcelain. There's probably a couple hundred of them in here growing. The native grass is coming back pretty good. This one here is buckwheat. I've seen one here, and there's another one over that way. We'll see if they make it. They're pretty hardy. Got another okra coming in the rocks. I'm sure there's some more down in there. If we'll get a little bit more rain, it'll spring up. These are seeds from 2 years ago. Still in the pod because it's been so dry. Country's looking alright. Really needs some more moisture though. It's just in survival mode still. It's not growing. Some of the native grasses are coming back in pretty good in here now that they've caught a little rain, and I've been watering it. There's our first pecan tree. It's produced just a little bit of growth right there, but it's not doing as good as it should. Just not getting enough water. Still growing though. Again, we've got okra. Another one here. Another one here. We've got a bunch of them right in here. A little cluster of them. There's buckwheat right there. Little baby buckwheat coming in. Just need some more rain. So I'm playing with the thought about putting some irrigation along this rock ledge that would sprinkle this to try to get it kick started, to get some good ground cover going. I'd have to bury the line though, because the water would come out so hot it would kill everything. These are our Mission, Texas almond trees, looking fairly good for the condition. Seems like this 1/4 inch mess has served its purpose, keeping the rodents from eating all the leaves off. This is our best looking one out of them. Hopefully it's putting its energy into roots. Got a white-winged dove over there on the side of the pond. Not a whole lot of growth out this way. Really hasn't had a good monsoon season since I put this topsoil through here. A few of the native grasses trying to bounce back. Hairy grama. Last good monsoon season we had side oats grama down there growing close to where the outflow of the creek is. Bacrosilifolia in bloom. A lot of the native insects around here, the solo bees, the wasp, butterflies, Really appreciate this plant because it keeps flowering even when it's in a drought. And this little creosote bush here, doing quite well. It did good through the drought as well. It's getting some moisture out of this loose spoil pile that's been seeping down, keeping it supplied with a little bit of moisture. Yep, life's coming back. Just needs a little bit more rain. Keep going. Hopefully it'll happen the rest of this monsoon season. We'll get a few showers here and there. Hopefully one decent one to fill up the pond all the way. Well, I'm pretty happy seeing some of the seeds come back, starting to naturalize here. We'll see over time. Hopefully the rain keeps a steady pace and keeps everything going so it can go to seed at least, make it through another year. Well, if you like what I'm doing out here and you want to help speed the process up, there's a few ways to do that in the description of the video. Buy me a coffee is one way, also Amazon. Every little bit will help me get closer to being out here full time and making everything happen a lot faster. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.